Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up ZTE Blade A32 for senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll down for accessibility. Then we can change our font size, so I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Then next thing is display size, and here you can make basically everything bigger again. It makes text, icons, buttons, everything bigger. So let's make it large. Then we have the dark theme. You can activate it if you want. It's optional, as I mentioned, and it will turn your phone a bit darker. So for some people, everything might be more visible when in that mode. Then there's the magnification. And if you enable it, you will get the accessibility shortcut in the bottom right corner of our screen. If you click on it, your screen will turn on with orange outlines, and when you click during that mode, you will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on accessibility icon again. Now let's go back, and here I would also remove animations to reduce motion sickness while using this device. I would recommend to disable auto rotate screen as well. And I guess that is all of the settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.